Hello and welcome to Illeysit YouTube channel. As you remember, on Sunday the 7th of March, we have installed successfully using WAM server with Windows 10 WordPress locally, and we have successfully done it. And today is the 9th of March, 2 days later. What we are going to do is to start the WAM server, which is installed locally. Those of you who have followed us our lessons or our webinar, step by step, no step skipped. Let's start the WAM server. WAM server I have started already. When you start, all you have to do is simply go to WAM server, as you can see here, and then start all services. I have done, because usually it will be red, amber, and green. Now is green. So it is, everything is working properly, as you can see it. So if I hit here, you can see it's a green local server. If it is amber or red and something is not working with your WAM server, we have installed on a Windows 10 machine. So let's start all services. We have done it. What we are going to do now is we will open any browser of your choice. Whether be it Chrome, Edge of Microsoft, Mozilla, Firefox, Safari, Brave. In our case, what we are going to use is a Chrome. So let me start. So let me go to and then I hit localhost and then enter, and then I will end up like this. This is the front end of the website. So I would like to go to, you might ask, hey, how can I log in and work with the website? So the real issue now is actually what you see is what you get. Where am I? You are actually, let me help you out. You are on the front end of your website, actually with WordPress. Yes. And then what we really need to do now is just to actually write localhost wp-admin, localhost /wp-admin. Yeah, that's what we are going to enter the login area of the website. Yes, enter. When you enter, this windows will pop up. So that means we have installed it locally, so there is no issue of security for me or for anyone else who's using locally. But when it is another setting we are using on hosting provider, you really need to be very, very careful with your username and password. Anybody gets in it, and then they can simply enter, and then they can, you have heard, I think a lot of websites has been hacked. That is not our discussion of today. So you remember when I created the website, I kept it very simple, admin. Probably the browser will tell me, hey, this is not good, so enter. So we are going to enter now the back end of the WordPress. Look, change your password. Yes, I know. I'm just using it locally. So let's keep it simple. So we are logged in at the back end of our website. As you can see, this is the dashboard. This is the home. If there are updates, you go here. Posts, you can, if you have a blogger, you can add things, blogger, and you can update over here. Media is about your media library, whether it is a video, audio, or photos. Pages, you can create pages. Comments, if there are comments, you would see it under here. Contacts, over here is the contact. So appearances is a very important area we are coming to. This is the theme area, which is what gives your website the look and the feel and the design. They call it theme. Yep. So plugins also very important. You can see the installed plugins. You can add new ones, and you can edit. So these are the three options you have. So plugins give WordPress extra functionality with the WordPress. It gives more functionality. Users over here, you can also add some users and the existing ones, and you can check also your profile. Tools over here, available tools, import, export, site health, export personal data, erase personal data. Your settings over here as well, general, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalink, privacy. This is the area in which you can see. Collapsible is if you simply click here, it collapses like that. So we just click over here. So this is the main features of the website. Over here you can add post, or you can add media, you can page or user. Over here, if you come over here, and this is the area admin, so edit profile, you can log out. So we have logged in. How do we log out? This is I really want to keep it simple. I log out again, and then I log in again. Admin, yes, admin. We log in again. Yep, this is the area, because of our password is so easy. Admin is a default, so this is what is usually happen. Let us see how do we add or delete some pages. So let's go to all pages. There are some pages which are already there. We are going to get rid all of them. Just select all of them and then go to bulk, move to trash. So that means the trash, apply, they're all gone. Yeah, but there is still, you can undo it under trash. We don't want to do it. We add new page. Suppose you want to add a new page now. So we call it now, that's Gutenberg. Now I can see it. So let's say about us. Usually this is what usually happen. You can either save to draft, or you can, which means you can, it will not be published, but it will be something you are working on it. Yeah. So let's say publish it and publish it again. Feasibility, you can always do it. So let's add another one, another page, which means we are going to put services. Services, publish. So let's add again another one, and then call it contact us. Yep, it's coming now. So let's use contact us. So publish it and publish it. Yes. So we all have now all of them. So let's say we have created 3 pages. In these pages, we can actually do also edit quick, which means it is published, or you can say pending or draft. You can keep it in under draft. So that means while you are still working on it, it will not be visible to visitors. So anyway, pending is it waits someone else. You are working with a friend or a colleague, and then they review it, and then they can publish it. So this is the way also to do it. All right, let's update it. Let's go to let's see how the website looks like. We go to here, and then visit the website. Are our things are still there? Yes, about us, services, and contact is already there. All right, that is how to create actually pages. All right, let's go back. We know now the back end is over here. We know also themes. As you can see, we have got Astra theme, which is a very good one. It has got menus, Astra options. We can put also there. If you want to add new one, we can add a new one. Yeah. We can take any theme of our choice that we might think is a good for me, or I can take it. Yeah. So there are 3 features, popular ones. These are the popular ones that people are using. Look, Astra is one of them. So popular one, the latest ones are over here. So you can see this is the latest one. This is the favorite ones. There is nothing I can see featured. I don't know. So over here you can do a lot of stuff as well. So latest. So you can see the latest. You can take any elite business or whatever. Let's try one of it. Let's try. Let me say. Let me take this one. Yep, install it. And then simply activate it and see how it looks. It's not bad. It is installing. You can see it. Yeah. So it is still continuing. So all right. So this is how it looks. So let's say activate. I don't know this one, callback and all these things. So let's go to our website and see how it looks. Not bad. You can see now. Contact us, to sell a WordPress tutorial, whatever. Yeah. so we can get rid of it later. Widgets we will do over here as well. Read me more. So let's go back to dashboard, and then what else I would tell you in this over here, collapsible appearances. So let's take some plugins, for instance. Add new plugins. Let's take maybe classic editor. Yes, classic editor, we can use it because Gutenberg is there. Install, activate. So let's see which one to use. Yep. Okay, let's go to any all pages. Let's see. It increases the functionality of the okay, edit. You just tick and edit. If you remember, it was different. Remember, it was totally different. So now it's a different thing. Good. Okay, I think we have come to I think that's more than enough for today. I think the back end and all these things, you know, we have done it. In my point of view, this is how the local host looks like. Or usually when you come back, just to recap, start all services and then go to localhost. What you do is tab localhost and open any browser of your choice and then go to localhost. What I would do as one thing which I'm going to do now is I will go to a website and show you whether this website is actually is built with this website. I think, or any website you can easily check through. Okay, let's this is a folder. Let's go back. What we are going to do now, we want to find out whether this website is built with WordPress or not. What you use in your keyboard is Control and U. This is the source area, it will come. Second thing is Control F. That's you write WordPress. Yep, WordPress. Oh, sorry, WordPress. And let us see whether WordPress is there. As you can see over here is WordPress 5.6.2 is already there. As you can see it over here. Yep, we know now. So what we are going to do is, remember I told you whatever the website is, and then WP dash admin, then you come back, you can come to, you see this website is built with what? This website is built with WordPress. So for this reason, if I, you know, the username and password, I'm in and I can take over. That is not the scope of this lesson, and it's not the intention of this one, and I'm not going to advise you to do it, but just for the sake of this lesson, I was just trying to show you. Remember the keyboard, Control U, you see the source code, Control F, you check it. Yep, I think let's log out over here. Let's go back. If you really want to reach us out, you can reach us by Illeysit IT Training. The information is on the screen. General inquiries at info@illeysit.com. Support is support@illeysit.com. illeysit@gmail.com. Frequently asked, you can also ask us. You can also reach us our phone number through WhatsApp, Telegram, and Signal if the need be. Due to our busy schedule, sometimes please text us. You can see the telephone on the screen. If you have enjoyed this lesson and you have learned and you are following us, this step by step, no step skipped, please subscribe and inform those you think might benefit. I wish you all the best. Take care and bye for now.